What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with the Attop A8. A little while back I had posted a link with these, and they were only $5, a little over $5 actually, like $5 and some change. And I was telling you guys that I would take one for the team and order from this site first, because the site was kind of sketchy. It's called China Brands, I think, and nobody ever heard of that website before. And so I took a chance and ordered two of them, a green one and an orange one, and we're looking at the green one here. They did come, so the site is official. It is a real website, and so I'm out here to fly this thing. Check it out, make sure that it works and all. I got the jumper out here. And so let's take off with it. Check it out. Night flight. So it does take off. Ah, my battery's dead. But this is just to show that this thing does work, and the website is real. So I guess I'll just fly it till LVC, till this thing falls, I guess. Unbelievable that this thing is only $5. Check out the yaw rig with the jumper. And it's going crazy with the flashing of the lights. Okay, let's bring it in. I don't feel like walking. So that's it, a quick demo flight of this Attop A8. Only $5 from China Brands. Check the link in the description. Awesome flyer, especially with a jumper. Thanks for watching.